All right, this is for household income. So all you have to do is go in the Google Ads UI, go to search campaigns, go to demographics and household income, screenshot this, paste it in here. Next, you're gonna download this for the date range you want and pop this open. Put a bid adjustment column here as well. Then you're gonna sort this range by cost, low to high, and you're gonna wanna remove these. And now you're gonna see the ad groups demographic. So some unknown incomes here are spending us the most money. So we can do some bid adjustments on this. So just off the bat, we can just do -5, -5, -5, -5. And if there were good performing ones, I don't really see any good performing ones. You'd filter by conversions and you just do the lowest cost per conversion and you bid it up. So since we have these, let's grab this, go to Google Ads Editor, make multiple changes. So you can see household income, campaign status, bid modifier process, finish and review changes. So you can see accounting unknown -5, bookkeeper -5, keep this, post. Then you're going to share these insights, copy link, go here, boop. Income analysis, paste this in here. You can just quickly say unknown and lower 50% are spending the most, and lower 50% and lower 50% spending the most, perform bid adjustment. And that's how you do household income.